Hi there. So we managed to get critical appreciation for the videos we have published. Of course, there is a lot to improve, but constraints make it difficult to improvise all of them. Therefore, we start with improvising the most important of all, which is to provide learners with vocabulary, without which it would be like jumping into a water body without a life jacket. Of course, we assume that you don't know swimming. Our colleagues strictly asked us to incorporate vocabulary to meet the worst case scenario, which is, at the end of the day, if you don't become an expert trader in derivatives, which we want you to be, at least many of you will be able to get the common sense behind derivatives. Derivatives won't be alien stuff for almost all of you. We are preparing such stories for you. You just need to wait. For young learners, the worst case scenario will be that this vocabulary will help you open up your financial intellect. Yes, it is one kind of intellect. And make you friends with key terminologies such as arbitrage, opportunity cost, or let's say hedging, which seems so simple that we don't invest good amount of time to learn how they work mathematically or theoretically. That is why we always say microeconomics is important. I hope you get the crux. We simply get fooled by their simplicity. If you, young learners, pay heed to what we say, you will surely find cracking CFA and actuarial sciences or FRM much easier. Our advanced videos will make you comfortable enough with strategy making. If need be, we will dig deep to explain you how Black-Scholes, which is a differential equation, is so powerful that it is considered a very important tool in weather prediction and of course in calculating the premium of an option. And why for American option, which is not used in India, because in India we use European options. So, why for American options we should avoid using Black-Scholes and instead use binomial pricing model? Now, as we mentioned in the introductory videos about getting in the details on how we trade and in what instruments. Let's go. We will mostly deal in indices options, primarily in Nifty and Bank Nifty, because they are most liquid. So by most liquid we mean that there are lots of buyers and sellers, lesser tick spreads, that means cost effective entry and exit from the trade. And also these indices are squared off automatically on the expiry date. Here we use various strategies like calendar spreads, diagonal spreads, ratio spreads, etc. and many other technical tools, important tools. Whereas stock options are illiquid and also at expiry you need to buy or sell the stocks depending on you have call or put options. So in this case I'm assuming you are not the writer of the option. It's a total different thing. We mostly trade through hedged options. Writing them gives us limited downside, and whenever we see a good risk reward trade, we buy through ATM/ITM options as well. We trade positionally and intraday and actively trade on weekly and monthly expiry days. So now comes the most important part, which again seems pretty trivial. Maintaining a trading journal. Yes, maintaining a trading journal. This should be your trading partner. My trading partner is my best critic. It keeps me grounded by making me aware of my risk appetite, so I don't do stupid mistakes. Unless I have this tendency of making bets, which I already have criticized in the past videos. My trading partner also provides me with the capital movement trajectory, which is an important part of capital management, and we will discuss. To give an example of the trading style, and yes, it is on good taste, I provide you with what excellence is yet to arrive. If I feel market is about to move down, based on global market movements and technical indicators, I will do call writings. Here, of course, my position will be hedged, as guided by my trading partner again. If, for example, Nifty is at 15,000, I feel based on multiple factors, again like market movements and technical indicators, and of course intuition, which comes with experience, that there is a high probability that it will go down. I now buy 15,200 call options initially and then sell 15,100 call options, and now adjust the trade or book profit once the market starts moving in my direction. Don't get greedy, more is coming. So we are already sharing trades on our Telegram channel. Learning through these high profit trades will help you grow your knowledge and later your capital, of course. As mentioned earlier as well, to learn further, it makes sense to subscribe to our channel and press the notification button so that as soon as we come up with our next video or post, you get an update. Also, follow us on Telegram channel to learn from our trades. Link is below. Thanks.